Hey everybody, everybody's talking about the 7.1 earthquake. 1,300 people in the county of Kern without power, and there have been reportedly 3 major aftershocks since that 7.1, which I understand was downgraded to a 6.9, downgraded. And then on Instagram here, take a look when I type, if you want to find out how intense this whole deal is. Okay, if I type here on Instagram, earthquake, right, like that. Okay, watch what happens. Earthquake. Okay, and then we wait for the page to change to, and it's not changing very quickly, is it? There. I'll follow that. And the recent earthquake activity, for example, this one that says, so to celebrate my earthquake, my neighbors decided to set off the rest of their fireworks right now. Don't know what that's about. These are all most recent postings. Here's another one. Let's see here. Our security camera. I don't know why this is not focusing properly, but anyway, let's try this. Okay, it says our security camera. What's supposed to say? See, if I post it close like that, it's not focusing in, folks. Why that is, I do not know, but it is not focusing in. What it says is that our security camera caught the moment 7.1 hit. Here it is. Take a look. So let me try something here, because for some reason, okay, it's clear here. Now let's try this. Yeah, that's better. All right, now you can see how person's walking, right? And it says our security camera caught the moment the 7.1 hit. The second you hear some neighbors screaming, "Pay attention," in my black car, and my mom's red car shake violently back and forth. Okay, hold on a second. Can't quite hear that. This is... Okay.
Sweet God.
Hear that?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Precious, Precious, come here. Come here, baby girl. Come here. Come here. Baby girl, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. Mom, it's okay. Calm down. Calm down. Jesus Christ.
And as they say, wait, there's more, folks. Earthquake. Love my walk into work, but I don't like being at work during a 7.1 magnitude earthquake. There's another. Let's see here. Let's see. All we wanted to do was take pictures with our Forkies at the drive tonight in honor of Toy Story. The 7.1 earthquake that followed was an added bonus. Our pool 5 minutes after. Look at this. Look at that. That seems pretty tame. Oh, not anymore. Okay. Ooh. You can see all the shaking there. What else is there? your family. And there is the USGS 7.1 earthquake strikes area 11 miles from Ridgecrest. Prayers for Ridgecrest, everyone, and subscribe to Zenny62 on YouTube.